watching these daggone YouTube videos talking about how to start your YouTube channel. Make no daggone sense. Buy a $2,000 camera. Buy a $2,000 camera so that your videos can look real crisp and clean. Don't make no daggone sense. Spend $2,000 for a camera. They're gonna tell you talking about buy a microphone, $500 microphone. I need a $500 microphone. I make up words. We're talking about a $500 microphone. I tell you, don't make no sense. Get a cordless mic. Get all this daggone stuff over here. And talking about get the lights. Get some more daggone lights. Make you look real crisp and clean on your $2,000 camera and a $500 microphone. $200 for this camera. $200 for this light. Make no daggone sense. Spend all this daggone money that's trying to grow a YouTube channel. Listen to all these people. Make no daggone sense. Hey, God, they still lying. Spend all this daggone money, still ain't got no views. Listen to all these people on YouTube. YouTube, matter of fact, I want my money back, YouTube. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hey, God, they still lying. You spend all your money trying to grow your YouTube channel. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's go. I know you've been there with me. I know you've been there before. The same situation I went through is the same situation you probably went through. Everybody went through this. Everybody went through this. You're trying to grow your YouTube channel and you're trying to find out what you need to do to get your YouTube channel to pop. You go on YouTube, you're looking at all these people on there talking about this is how you should grow your YouTube channel. You get this camera, you get this microphone, you can get all these things, and your YouTube channel will gain 1,000 views. Come on, man. What? They think we stupid? Come on, man. You see all these people on here doing their thing? But some of us, we got caught up in the hype. They got 1 million views, they got 100,000 views, and they up there talking about this is what you need to grow your YouTube channel. Get this $2,000 lens mic, I can't even talk. Let me calm down. Get this $2,000 camera with the glass lens in it so you can look crisp and clean when they look at you and look at your video, and you'll get those views because they want to make sure you look real good. Then they go back on that and talk about, oh man, look, you need to get a microphone. Get this microphone, $500 microphone, so they can hear you clearly. I make up words. I don't need you to hear me clearly. If I make up words, I don't want you to know the words I made up. I just correct myself, course correct. Spend $500 for a microphone, $2,000 for a camera. Then they're gonna say, oh, you need these lights. Yo, get these big giant lights over there so they can shine the lights bright on your face so they can see you when you do a talking head video. Maybe I don't want you to see my talking head. Maybe I just want to be back in the cut like this so you don't see all this little stuff on my face. I ain't shaved today. I don't want you to see all this stuff on my face. But you are listening to these so-called gurus tell you what you need to start your YouTube channel, what you need to grow your YouTube channel. And you're not realizing the things they're telling you to get, they're getting money on the back end. They're getting an affiliate cut on the back end. And how did they start? They might have started with a $2,000 camera because they had experience. A lot of people I'm talking to, and that's in my comment section, they don't have experience. I didn't have experience. I just said I wanted to get on YouTube and start a YouTube channel. And when I got on YouTube, I said, well, how do I start? I went to YouTube University. You need to get this camera. You need to get this microphone. You need to get these lights. And I brought it. I got a camera in my garage right now. When I started in 2012, I spent almost $2,000 for that camera. I bought a mic. I got so many microphones, don't make no sense. You just saw a couple of the microphones I have. I got about at least 10 microphones. How many lights I got? I got about 5 lights. I only showed you 2. Then I got background lights. I got all this stuff. I got the green screen. You can't see the green, but I got the green screen. I got all this stuff. And I started a channel and I stopped. Why? Because nobody was watching my daggone videos. Nobody was watching the videos. I was like, oh man, nobody watching these videos. Oh man, what I'm gonna do? I gave up. I gave it with my $2,000 camera. I gave it with my $500 microphone. I gave it with those $200 lights to make me look all shiny and clear. They don't want to tell you the truth. They're not telling you the truth. That's why I say, hey, God, they still lying. They still lying on YouTube right now. telling you, you need these cameras, you need these lights, you need all this stuff. You need all this stuff so you can grow your YouTube channel, get all these thousands and hundreds of thousands of views. You don't need all that stuff. You don't need all that stuff. That's why I said they still lying. You don't need to spend all this money to get all this fancy cameras, fancy microphones, fancy lights. You don't need all that stuff. If you've been following me, you've been looking at my channel, I have done this whole channel off of my phone. And these mics. Off my phone, iPhone, off these mics. All 127 videos I done off my phone, off these mics. And you tell me it's not as good as a $2,000 camera? I'm getting views off of a phone and these mics. Yeah, the quality might be different. It might be sharper. It might be crisper. You might hear me better. I'm just starting out. I don't need a $2,000 camera. You don't need a $2,000 camera right now if you're just starting out. You don't need a $500 microphone if you're just starting out. You don't even need a $200 or $100 light if you're just starting out. We shoot videos in my studio, in my car. Just go in front of a window. Let me pull this up. Go in front of a window, get natural light. Look where I'm at. I got natural. Oh, that ain't too good. Ain't too good. I got natural light. Natural light. Stand in front of a window. You get natural light. That's what I discovered. You don't need all that fancy stuff you're starting out. Why I'm shaking my head like this? I don't know. But you don't need all that fancy stuff. Stand in front of a nice window with the light coming in off of your face. Shoot your video. Take your phone, shoot your video. Use your earpiece, shoot your video. If you don't have an earpiece, use the phone. The mics on the phone is just as good. That's what I discovered. You don't need all that fancy stuff. Because God, they still lying, but I know the truth now. You'll find the truth as you go. As you shoot your own videos, you discover what works and what doesn't work. Shoot the videos of what you have. You don't got $2,000 to get a camera? Use your phone. You got a phone. You got a camera on your phone. Use your phone. You don't have an earpiece? Use your phone microphone. Because they still lying. It's not right. Shoot what you got. Or use what you got to shoot your videos. Because they still lying. Not only are they lying about that, they're still lying about YouTube's on easy mode. They still lying, saying you can get monetized in a week. They still lying. God, they still lying. But I know the truth now. You can gain views with just your phone. You can gain views with just your earpiece. You can gain views with natural light. Look at this, natural light. Don't worry about the views. Worry about the viewers. So what, you're not getting views now. But the main thing is they lying to tell you that you can get views if you buy all this fancy equipment that costs a lot of money so they can get money on the back end as an affiliate while you're still struggling. I struggled for years because nobody was watching my channel because I got all this fancy equipment, spent all this money, and it's still sitting there. It was sitting there because nobody was watching. It's not in the equipment, it's in you. You're the reason why they're watching your YouTube channel. You're the reason why they're watching your videos, not the equipment that you use. The equipment might make you look better, sound better, but it's the content in your heart that you're sharing with them to keep them watching your videos. So don't worry about what they say, because they still lying. You're still watching people on YouTube telling you what you can do, what you need. The only thing you need is your camera and your content. You just need your camera and your content, because they still be lying. And they just want to get the money out of your pocket into their pocket. So this is what I want you to do. If you still listen to me where we at now? 8 minutes, 15, 16 seconds in, I want you to leave in the comment section. They still lying. Hashtag, they still lying. And if you put the hashtag, they still lying, I got something special for you in the next video. Once I see that hashtag in the comment section, and you hashtag they still lying, I got something special for each and every person that use that hashtag, because they still be lying. But don't listen to those lies. Don't listen to those lies, because you are making these videos from the content of your heart and you sharing it with the world. And I want you to share the videos with your world with your $200 camera, with your $500 camera, with your $200 earpiece, or with the windows of the world shining bright on your face. You don't need those lights. So that's all I had to say today. And I want you to do all you can do, be all you can be, and have everything God created for you to have, because they still lying. But you know the truth. Shoot your shot with your video and make the world a better place with the content you share from your heart. Because this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time.